Hello everyone, I am Professor Praveen Sarvale, College of Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Shardanagar Baramati, G201. In that, lecture number 3, gram. All of you know, gram is one of the major pulse crop in India. Okay, gram, that means in Marathi harbara, chana, also it is known as a Bengal gram. Now see the botanical description of gram. In that, the botanical name of gram is Cicer aretinum. Actually, there are two major species of gram. In that, Cicer aretinum and Cicer cabulium. And this Cicer aretinum, that means a desi species. And another one is a Cicer cabulium, that means Kabuli species. Okay, that means white chana. The botanical name of gram is Leguminosae. Remember that all pulse crop have family Leguminosae. The origin Southwest Asia or also in India. Then economic use or economic value of Bengal gram, that means gram. In that, it is a most important Rabi pulse crop in India. It contains nearly about 21% protein. It is also rich in carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. The tender leaves of young gram crop is used as vegetable purpose. It is consumed in the form of splits, flour, then cooked grains, then salted grains, etc. And the lots of other byproducts are prepared from the gram. Then malic and oxalic acid are collected from the green leaves, have medicinal values. That means in Marathi it is known as am. This am is collected early in the morning with the help of muslin cloth. When this both malic and oxalic acids are dissolved in a dew in early in the morning, at that time you can running out muslin cloth over the field. At that time absorb the all malic and oxalic acid into the muslin cloth. Then it squeeze out in any buckets and likewise collect the all malic and oxalic acid. And this malic and oxalic acids have a great medicinal value. It's helpful for a stomach ache also. Then grain and husk used as a horse feed, and germinated grains recommended to the cure the scurvy disease. Okay, these are the lots of economic importance or gram crop. Out of that, the collection of malic and oxalic acid, it will be asked for a short note sometime. Okay, write down collection of malic and oxalic acids. Nearly about 6 to 7 liter per hectare malic and oxalic acid obtained from 1 hectare. Then a preparatory tillage operations. It requires cloded and a rough seed bed because already the seed size of gram is bold. So cloded seed bed is sufficient. Then it requires one deep plowing and 1 to 2 harrowing. Add well rotted organic manure before last harrowing. Then the part of ecology in that soil and climate. It can grow in a variety of soil from light to heavy black soil, sandy loam to clay loam soil. It is the most suitable soil for the gram. Then gram is a fertility restore crop. The optimum pH range is from 6 to 7.5. It is grown in a cool and dry climate. It can grow well under the cloudy and frost condition. Then optimum temperature range for its growth is 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, and the average annual rainfall is 400 to 700 mm is necessary. This is all about the soil and climate of gram crop. Then the next point is a seed and sowing requirement for a gram crop. In that season, Rabi season, all of you know the gram is sown in a Rabi season, that means in a winter season. The sowing time should be between 15 October to 15 November. Sowing method, drilling, then dabbling. Sowing depth 3 to 5 centimeter deep. Seed rate Desi type 65 to 70 kg per hectare, and the Kabuli 80 to 90 kg per hectare. Okay, because the Desi type species, the seed is very small as compared Kabuli, and the color of this Desi type is brown. But here in case of Kabuli, seeds are bold and white in color. Then seed treatment. Rhizobium culture treatment 250 gram per 10 kg seed to increase the nitrogen fixation. And the thyrum or carbendazim at the rate of 2 to 3 gram per kg of seed is sufficient for a seed treatment of gram. Then varieties of gram. The different types of varieties are invented by the different agriculture university and research station. The lots of varieties commercially grown in India and Maharashtra. Out of that, some important variety which grown in Maharashtra, N53, N59, then Chapa, Warangal, Vijay, Vikas, Vishwas, Digvijay, BDN 9 and 3. Okay, also Virat. These are the variety of grams. Okay, it is easy to recall. You can remember on the name of Vikas, Vijay, Vishwas, Digvijay, Virat. Okay, these are the varieties of gram. Then manures and fertilizers for a gram crop. In that, the total FIM requirement is 12 to 15 cart load per hectare, and chemical fertilizer dose in that it is also vary accordingly season. If it is a rainfed season, then obviously the fertilizer dose is less as compared irrigated. Here for rainfed 10 as to 40 as to 20 NPK kg per hectare, and for the irrigated crop it should be 20 as to 40 as to 60 NPK kg per hectare. Then irrigation requirement for gram crop. Generally, gram grown as a rain-fed crop. In case of long dry spell, it is need additional irrigation at a critical growth stages. Remember that. If the scarcity of water, then apply the additional irrigation only at a critical growth stages. The total water requirement is vary between 300 to 400 mm, and the critical growth stages of grams are a flowering stage, then pod formation stage. These are two most important critical growth stages of gram crop. Then plant protection. In case of plant protection, gram pod borer, then cutworms. These are the major pests of grams, and in case of diseases, wilt is a major disease of gram crops. For escaping the wilt, you can sowing should be done at the deep up to the 5 to 7 centimeter deep. Okay, which skip the disease of wilt. Then harvesting and yield of gram crop. Okay, before that you should know how to judge or how to ready, how to harvest of gram. You should know crop mature in 3.5 to 4 month days after sowing. Then it is harvested when the leaves turn yellow and start drying. That means yellow appearance appear on whole fields. Then harvesting should be done either by pulling the plants or cutting them ground level. Then threshing is done by wetting the produce. The produce is then winnowed, dried and stored. Nowadays, the combine harvester is also used for soybean harvesting. Okay, this is all about the harvesting of gram crop. Then in case of yield, for pure rainfed crop, 5 to 6 quintal per hectare, and for irrigated crop, it should be between 10 to 12 quintal per hectare. Okay, this is all about the cultivation of gram crops. In this gram cultivation, soil climate, then seed and sowing, harvesting and yield, and water requirement, also fertilizer management. These are the important exam point of view. In case of objective, the botanical name, then family, then the different varieties, okay, then seed rate, okay, then seed treatment. These are the important points. Okay, thank you so much, student. If you have a problem regarding the cultivation of gram crop, then contact me. Okay, thank you so much, all of you.